Welcome to Basket of Tales, a time travel into the world of stories.
Hello, my dear friends. A very warm welcome to our story time. This is Miss V from Basket of Tales. Hope you're all doing great. Today, I am here with another exciting story from the Tales of Panchatantra. This story is about a crafty crane and the craftier crab. Long back, an old crane lived near a large lake in the middle of a jungle. As he had grown old, he was not able to catch fish from the lake anymore. He was becoming weak day by day due to lack of food. To come out of the situation of hunger, he thought of a plan. As per his plan, he sat at the edge of the lake for everybody to see him and began crying. Moved at the sight, a crab passing by asked the crane, "Friend, what is the matter? Why are you not hunting for food today?" "Son, you have correctly guessed. I am feeling guilty because I have swallowed too many fish. I have decided to fast unto death, and am not harming even the fish that are within my reach," said the crane. "But why are you so philosophical today?" asked the crab. "What shall I tell you? I have heard that there will be no rains for the coming 12 years. Astrologers have forecast evil conjunction of the planets. As a result, there won't be rains on this earth for another 12 years. All these years we have all played and lived together. I am now worried about the fate waiting for these poor fish and other creatures in the lake. They will die, and I will be alone without them. Is there no way we can overcome this situation?" asked the crab. "At present, fish and other water creatures in other lakes are migrating to bigger lakes with the help of their relatives. Here, nobody seems to worry about the dark future. At this rate, there won't be any kind of fish left." The crab carried this information to all the fish and other water creatures in the lake. Alarmed, all of them came to the crane and pleaded with him to show them the way to overcome this danger. "Why not? There is a big lake not far from here that has plenty of water throughout the year and lotuses always in bloom. That lake does not go dry even if there are no rains for 24 years. I can ferry all of you one by one to that lake." The poor fish and other water creatures at once put all the trust in the crane and agreed to be ferried. Every day the crane would take one of them at a time to a lonely place, eat them. He would return to the lake and repeat the same trick every day. One day the crab asked the crane, "Uncle, you are taking everyone to the faraway lake and not me. Why don't you take me there today and save my life?" Tired with eating fish every day, the crane was too happy to carry the crab to the lake that did not exist. The crab was happy and mounted on back of the crane. As the crane was flying close to the spot where he ate all the fish, the crab saw a heap of fish bones and asked the crane, "Uncle, we have come a long distance and I see no lake anywhere. Tell me, where is the lake?" The crane replied, "You are a fool to trust me. There is no lake. I am going to eat you." The crab at once caught the neck of the crane with his claws and strangled him to death. Slowly the crab reached the lake back. The other water creatures in the lake were surprised to see him back. They became curious and asked him, "Where is the crane?" The crab replied, "We are being fooled by the crane. What the crane told about the lake drying up was all false. He was taking one of us every day for his meal. There is no need to worry. We are safe in this lake. It is not going to dry up at all." So, friends, the moral of the story is when things go wrong, we should use our intelligence to overcome the situation. I hope you enjoy listening to this story. And remember our 4 B's: be kind, be honest, be helpful, and be good. This is Miss V from Basket of Tales signing off, and we'll meet you with next story. Thank you.